Hi everyone, welcome to Crochet Rocks. My name's Tracy. I'm going to do a short tutorial now to show you how to do the foundation treble crochet, or in the US it's known as the foundation double crochet. Now I've just done a few pairs of fingerless gloves that use this stitch, and they were quite bright, so I'm just going to try and show you in this light coloured yarn to see if it's more clear for everybody. So we start off with just a slip knot. Now this is an Aran weight yarn, so it's a 4 weight, and I'm using a 5mm crochet hook, but you just use whichever is most appropriate for the yarn that you're using and for the pattern that you're working on. But I just wanted to show you this to see if it's a little more clear using this yarn. So how we start is to make 2 chain, and then we're going to go into this first chain. It's quite important when we're going to make a treble crochet in there, but we're going to do it slightly different, and we need to make sure that we go through 2 loops of that stitch rather than just one. So we go through 2 and we pull up a loop, so we'll have 3 on our hook. So we yarn over and pull through 1. So we've just made 1 chain. So now we're going to do the rest of our stitch. So in the UK it's a treble crochet, in the US it's a double. So we yarn over, we pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So now we're going to do that again, and we're going to go into the chain that we've just created. So making sure we go through 2 loops again, because it is quite important that we do that. Otherwise we get a very strange edge to our work. So again, we'll go through just 1. So we've made a chain. I find it helpful to hold it. Just hold on to that chain that we've made. Yarn over, go through 2. Yarn over, go through 2. So we've made another treble, and we're going to go into that chain that we've just made, and we're going to go through the 2 loops again. There they are, see them? And pull up a loop. We're now going to make 1 chain, hold on to it, and finish our stitch. And it's as simple as that. I know it's kind of tricky when you're first starting out. So we're going to go into that chain we created, taking care to go, see that's just 1 loop, that's not good enough. We'll end up with a nasty baggy edge, which you don't want that. No one wants a baggy edge. So we're now going to just go into 1 chain, hold on to that chain, finish our stitch. Again, through 2 loops, make the chain, and then finish our stitch. So if we take a look at that, what we're in effect doing, I'll just zoom in a little and you can hopefully see that. Here's our row of chain that we're making, and there's the row of treble crochet or double crochet US that's sitting on top of it. So let's see if I can do it again and show you while it's zoomed in. So we're going to go through both loops, through 2 loops, and we're going to make that 1 chain. I like to hold it because it helps me know where it is. Finish the treble crochet, and then go through 2 loops of that chain. This yarn keeps going down, it's annoying. And make the chain, and then finish our stitch. Just means I lean on it, it gets tight. I think I might have to pull it up. It's not really playing ball with me, is it? Never mind. So now we're going to go into that 1 chain that we've made, and if it helps just to push that other loop on, as long as you go through the 2 loops, make the chain, hold on to it, finish our stitch. And see, it's quite easy. The trickiest part is getting the 2 loops. If you don't do it too tight, then it's okay. So we go through the 2 loops again. There they are. Make 1 chain, and there we are. So it's just making a row of chain at the bottom there, and a row of double crochet or treble crochet US goes into them. So it's just making it as we go. And the good thing about it is it makes it elastic. So when you're making a cuff for a glove or a hat or whatever you want to make something, picking that up because it was driving me absolutely crazy. So whatever you're making, if you need it to sort of go over your wrist, or let's zoom out because that's a little bit, if you need it to go over your wrist or anything like that, or a brim of a hat, it's nice and elastic, this stitch, so it'll do it. But it's also really effective, I think, way of doing it. I really like this this stitch. So thanks for watching, everyone, and I just wanted to do that so that it would be nice and clear for you, because the yarns that I used in my gloves, one was bright red and one was kind of multicolour and the other one was blue, so it was quite hard to see. It was kind of like a dark royal blue, and so hopefully using this light coloured yarn and a green hook has made that a lot more clearer. So thanks for watching, everyone. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and hit on the notification bell, and you'll be informed when there are new videos. I'm going to do another stitch tutorial that shows you how to do that crochet rock stitch that's more clearly, that was also in those gloves, and I'll pop these in that playlist, so if anybody needed to watch those more carefully, they could. So thanks for watching, and bye bye for now.